it's fun being out here with everyone. Sometimes tensions get a little high, but we always resolve it, and it's turned out pretty well so far, so I think it's gonna be fun, especially since this is the last night. And, I mean, it's done after this, so should be pretty rewarding.
I think all the hard work we've put in has put us in a pretty good position, as well as our detail we gotta add and get all our ironing down too, because that makes the statue look pretty much perfect.
We went pretty extensively into a design that ended up didn't panning out. It's a total lottery, so we didn't get our first choice. Coming up with a whole new plan from scratch from our backup that wasn't as thoroughly flushed out definitely posed some new and unique challenges that we'd never done before. There's a lot of things that we would have probably done earlier that we couldn't, and so it was definitely more of a time crunch at the end, but I think the experience of a lot of guys here allowed us to kind of bring it together and make it work. Something that our alumni always say about the statue building is that it builds character, and I think that's absolutely true. It tests you in ways outside of maybe the academic field. It tests your mental endurance, mental capacity to handle stress, physical work, and balancing all those different life aspects while entertaining a college career. So it's a really special feeling that you wouldn't be able to get if you didn't spend a month working up to that point.